How to use GPT 5.4 in VS Code. To use this OpenAI model for coding in Visual Studio Code, one simple method is to install the Codex extension. If you have already set up this extension in VS Code from using the older Codex models, you are good to go. There's no need to install any additional items. For a completely new installation of this extension, go to the Extensions tab. In the search bar, enter Codex, then make sure to use the official extension from OpenAI. Once installed, click on the OpenAI logo, sign in with OpenAI or ChatGPT account, and you will have to go through the sequence of authorization. You will then be redirected to VS Code once completed. Now in this Codex interface, there is a selection of OpenAI models. We're going to be using GPT 5.4 to create a quick demo, prompting this model to create a restaurant web application, and this is only going to be a quick demo and not the full application. GPT 5.4 does take a while working on this little demo, and eventually there is a working prototype. It does look like most other UI designs from the official demos, and then I'm just going to prompt it to add some visuals to the menu items, and it creates some only very basic illustrations and not the real meal photos. Now check in with the token consumption. For this demo I used the free version, and this demo used up 16% of the weekly limit, which is quite a lot. That's it. That's gonna be it for getting started with GPT 5.4 in VS Code. The one method is to simply install the Codex extension.